Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of December 2014's monthly forecast, monthly horoscope for each and every sign. Now we're talking about Leo. Leo Saturn's position in such a way that there is a start of a Shani's Dhaya in your horoscope this month. On account of this Shani's Dhaya, there will be at times some insecurity, stress, unexpected delays, obstacles. Your family relationship will also be not where you want them to be. Leo, please be prepared for some family politics. But at the same time, you got to make sure that you do not bruise or hurt anyone's ego, pride with your sharp words. Leo, please be very careful of your word or speech and try to be polite and humble in your approach. You will sometimes suffer from secret tensions which you don't want to share with anyone. You will sometimes suffer from secret tensions which you don't want to share with anyone. Leo, this particular month you have to be very careful that you do not break any relationship or stay on talking terms with everyone. You have to be very, very careful about your conduct, about your views. Please bear in mind that you got to be civil with everyone in your family. Please be prepared for change. This particular month there will be lots of thinking going on. You have to be very careful of your drive, step and well-being. But after 24th of December, a lot of your complications will be resolved. A lot of obstacles will be removed. You'll be back on the track. Even mentally, you'll be start thinking of bigger and better things. You need to raise your focus. You have to be more positive. Build up your drive. Concentrate on what you want to achieve and get your positions right. You got to work on synchronization with other people. You have to synchronize with other members of the family. Leo, this particular month you'll face some challenges. You'll get opportunity in equal measure. Challenges, opportunity will come together and you have to deal with them one by one. Whatever you do, you have to be very, very careful about your word or speech and conduct. Leo, task of the month, do flow 8 kg rice in the fastest flowing river. Time to time donate basin 12 kg to temple. Do donate money to blind school. Precaution of the month, for month of December 2014 for Leo. Make sure you don't offend anyone's pride, honor with your words. Chanting of the month for Leo. Om Sharim Harim Kalim Eng Vajr Verochniye Hum Hum Fat Swaha. Om Sharim Harim Kalim Eng Vajr Verochniye Hum Hum Fat Swaha. Chinmastika chanting. Thanks for watching my monthly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. More daily contents, including weekly horoscopes, yearly horoscopes, Saturn's transit, Jupiter's transit, Rahu's transit, Ketu's transit, and each and every transits, their effect on each and every sign, as well as solutions to the problem, yearly forecast, and lot more information. Manglik Dosh, Kalsarp Dosh, and Pitra Dosh, the hardcore contents of Indian Vedic astrology. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments about our shows, about our channel, and if you have any questions about yourself, or you like to consult me about yourself, or if any of your family members would like to have a consultation, the procedure is very simple. First, become a subscriber to our channel. Then please kindly send me an email, info@prakashastrologer.com. First become a subscriber, then send me an email. Then I will deal with you and reply you back. And also please leave me your comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. Look after yourself and I'll be back with a lot more contents for 2015's whole yearly forecast. Lot more contents, solutions, tasks, predictions, recommendations about everything. Take care.